Hi, I'm Ariel Major, and I'm a product owner here at Cavallo, and today I'm going to show you how to email pick instructions to your warehouse. Let's get started. Let's say I'm a warehouse manager and I want to email pick instructions to my warehouse employees. I can easily do this by clicking on Mission Control and going to my Ready to Pick queue, where I have 5 orders listed here. Now I want to send a pick instructions to my warehouse employee, Ian, and I'm going to do this by scrolling to the right and clicking this menu here. Select Email Reports, select Ian as the contact, and select Pick Instruction. Then simply just press Send Email. And that's how to email pick instructions to your warehouse. For more videos like this, please let us know about topics that you're interested in the comments. Thank you.